ranting about the small Chinese manufacturer called DOOGEE S89 Pro. It comes with a ginormous battery and a Batman design. It's launching on the 25th. It comes with 12,000 mAh battery and it supports 65 watt fast charging. Thank goodness. It's powered with the Mediatek Helio P90 processor. It will retail for $240 for up to July 29, where after that the price goes up to $700. Way out of the league. It comes with Batman design, as you can see in the photos. It is ruggedness meets the military standard 810H certification. It runs Android 12 out of the box, and that's the only update you're going to get. Major Android update. It contains of a 6.3 Full HD screen with multi-color breathing light of Batman. It has 8GB 256GB RAM. It has a customizable side button. It has a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel macro ultra wide camera, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. It supports 4G only because P90 doesn't have 5G support. It has NFC. It has a side mounted fingerprint. It has 15 watts wireless charging as well. It comes with IP68 and IP69K resistance. So if you want to buy this phone, buy it for $240. Otherwise, please leave this phone alone and go for iPhone or Samsung or Google. They are far more superior. Thank you.